people who make the organization. That's why Bubble Communication. It's full of enthusiasm and effervescence. I'm really excited to be here at Bombay Times Fashion Week. It's a thrilling moment here to be here and invited, and I'm honored. And there are a lot of people, a lot of celebrities that have come here, and who's who of the industries are here, and they've converged here. So we're at Fairmont at International Airport, Mumbai. But the event is La Jawab and Jordar and Zabardast. What an exciting times here. I've met a lot of people who follow real estate and Bollywood go hand in hand. They're inseparable, and so many people here. They're really enjoying Bombay Times Fashion Week. It's a prerogative that one can be here and really have fun and mingle with other people. It's the higher class, upper crest event, and it doesn't happen often. It just happens maybe once a year. But I'm very excited to be here. So the creme de la creme had come to this show, Bombay Times Fashion Week, at Fairmont, at International Airport, and people from all walks of life. They're the models, they're the corporates, business, so many that you see around. There's a lot of buzz and excitement, and something like this has been happening for a long time and has been changing and bringing in new trends in the fashion industry. Zabardast Bombay Times Fashion Week with Rafique Merchant. Cheers.